Hi, I'm William Beam, founder of Suburbia Press. After years of helping businesses succeed online, I'm here to show you how you can use WordPress to unlock more revenue growth, starting with affiliate marketing. Do you want to grow your revenue by 10 to 20% without spending more on ads? That's what affiliate programs deliver for many businesses, and it's one of the most cost-effective ways to increase sales. Here's why. Affiliate marketing, you only pay for results. Instead of pouring money into ads that may or may not convert, affiliates earn a commission only when they deliver a sale. That's why over 80% of major brands already use it as a core growth strategy. It's why affiliate marketing is growing into a $37 billion industry this year. But here's the challenge. While affiliate marketing is powerful, running your own program inside WordPress hasn't always been easy. Most affiliate plugins are clunky, overpriced, or require endless add-ons just to get the basics. They slow down your site, frustrate your affiliates, and make program management a headache. That's exactly why WP Managed Ninja created Fluent Affiliate, a modern, lightweight, all-in-one affiliate management plugin built for WordPress. With Fluent Affiliate, you can recruit affiliates, set flexible commissions, track referrals, and manage payouts, all from a clean, intuitive dashboard right inside your site. No extra services, no hidden costs, just everything you need to launch and grow your affiliate program. So what are the benefits? With Fluent Affiliate, you're not just adding another plugin. You're unlocking a system that makes affiliate management simple and profitable. Here are 5 key benefits. First one is you can grow your sales without extra ad spend. You only pay affiliates for when they deliver results. The second one is easy recruitment and onboarding with a customizable sign-up forms and a dedicated affiliate dashboard. Third, you get flexible commissions. You can have percentage, flat rate, or even recurring payouts for subscription products. Fourth, transparent tracking and reporting, so you and your affiliates always know what's working. And 5, streamlined payouts and automations. Pay your partners quickly and keep everything organized inside WordPress. It's everything you need to launch, manage, and scale your affiliate program without the complexity or hidden costs of other plugins. All right, let's go ahead and take a quick walkthrough. All right, so here I am inside of my demo site. And the first thing we're going to do is go through the setup wizard. So I'm going to choose my plugin file. I'm going to put in my license since I've got the pro version and show you how to get that set up. So there's the file. We're going to go ahead and click Install Now. Activate the plugin. And down here on the side, you can see Fluent Affiliate. And let's make this a little bit bigger for you. So there you go. This is where we start off with. Now, I got the pro version. That requires the core version. In case you weren't aware, many of the products from WP Managed Ninja have a free version, which is what the core plugin is. You'll be able to find that on the repository for WordPress. And then if you don't have that installed, you're also going to need to install that when you put in the pro version. So let me go ahead and click Install the core plugin. It'll go out to the repository, get it for you, and then it reloads the page, and here you are. So here you go. Welcome to Fluent Affiliate. What are you going to connect it to? You can see that there are a number of things over here. I have Fluent Cart and Fluent Forms on this site. WP Managed Ninja also has Paymatic and Fluent Booking Pro, which is another product that I have. But you can see there are other sites on here, other services. Tutor LMS, LearnDash, WooCommerce is obviously going to be a big one, and so is Easy Digital Downloads, SureCart, GiveWP, MemberPress, Voxel, Paid Membership Pro, Lifter LMS. Plenty of options. There may be more to come, but this is what you're going to be seeing at launch. I'm going to choose Fluent Cart, which is in beta right now. That's something that should be releasing probably about 3 weeks or so after this. I don't have a firm date from the folks at WP Managed Ninja. That's my best guess. So I'm going to click on that, and then I will come down here. Now you notice that you can select any integrations you want to enable for your store. I'm going to update this right now with just one product, and we'll click Next. Now this referral variable, what happens is when you go to a URL and it's going to have an affiliate link at the end, which will be ref equals, and then perhaps a number, like 100. You can change that variable if you want to call it something besides ref, which is short for referral. I'm going to leave it at the default. Then you have the default referral format, you notice there's a couple of things. It could be the affiliate ID or WordPress username. Again, I'm going to leave it at the default. The percentage rate. Now you've got an option over here. Do you want to have a payment of 20%, or do you want to make it a fixed dollar value? Do you want to change this? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it a percentage. And since we're only doing a demo, I'll leave it at a 20% payout. So in other words, if somebody purchases or makes a sale for something for $100, they will get a $20 affiliate payment. And since I'm in the United States, I will leave my default currency here. But there is a very long list of currencies available. So this is going to be useful for people around the world. And let's click Next. The next thing you need to do is select an affiliate page area. Now you can use Fluent Affiliate Portal as a shortcode. So let's click on this. I'm going to go ahead and put in a page title and click Add. And to make things easy on myself, I'm going to duplicate this tab. So I'm still on my site, but I want to go to my pages, which are right up here. Go to All Pages, and there's my affiliate area. So I'm going to edit this quickly. And there you go. There's my affiliate area. I haven't even had to paste in the shortcode. It did it for me. So that's just how thoughtful the setup is for this. So you can see in the affiliate area, you've got your dashboard, links, and referrals, payouts, visits, and settings. This is all stuff that your affiliates are going to see. So I'm going to close this out. And that's how easy it was to set up things for your affiliates. And we're going to click Finish. And here we are on your dashboard page. This is what you're going to see. So that's the setup wizard. So what we're going to do, we're on the dashboard. We're going to come down here to our settings, and you'll see registration settings. You want to get this in place. And there are plenty of defaults here. So enable affiliate registration so people can register without you having to add them manually. If you don't want that, you can just simply toggle the checkbox. You want to require admin approval for new affiliates. Again, the default is on. So you've got a number of registration fields, and you can edit these if you want to and change them and whether they're required or not. So I'm going to leave our defaults again. Do you want to use custom HTML? How will you promote us? And what you do on these is you open it up, and it's going to have a little survey for people like, how are you going to promote us? You want to know, are they going to do YouTube videos? Are they going to run ads? Are they going to promote you on their website? Do they have a podcast? Whatever their promotional method is, you want to know. So that's just something to help you determine if you want to vet the people who are going to be affiliates. And if you don't like what you see here, perhaps maybe they don't get approved. Obviously, you want to see if they have a website and then a payment email address. So this is going to be a payment through PayPal. And of course, yes, you want that to be required. So once you've got that and they agree to the terms and conditions, which you need to place down here, let's edit this. And hopefully you will add a bit more text than this. This is going to be a legal document of sorts. So you want to make certain that you put in what your terms and conditions are for an affiliate. And we'll save those settings. All right, so from the registration settings, we also want to take a look at the referral settings. The referral variable, we discussed, the format, all of these things we've gone over. Now, there's a couple other things. Some of these were in the onboarding that we showed, but there's a bit more information down here. The number format, US style or European style, currency position, because different currencies have the position in different places. The credit, this is something you want to understand. Is it going to be to the first affiliate who gets the click or the last affiliate who gets the click? As an affiliate, I've been on both sides of this. I think my preference is actually the first affiliate, but the truth is my preference is whichever one gets me paid and someone else not paid. How long is your cookie duration going to be? This is going to be in days only. So 30-day cookie is fine. Some people have a shorter cookie. Some people have a longer one. Where's the affiliate area going to be? Well, we've seen that. We can preview this. And there is our affiliate registration. Now, do you want to exclude shipping? In other words, are you going to pay affiliate fees on shipping charges? I would expect you're not going to. So by default, this is off. The same thing would be true for tax. This is another important one, disable self-referral. What this means is that people cannot earn an affiliate commission if they buy the product using their own link. So that's something that's also, I think, very important. Now, this one is not here yet. Affiliate commission on subscription renewal. This is coming soon. It's not available just yet. So you can see this grayed out. So we'll save those settings. One of the other things you're going to want to do to get things set up is go to your license management. So if you have a license key, you're going to put this in here. And of course, if you don't have one, it gives you the option to purchase one. So let me get my key and I'll go ahead and put this in. All right, my license is valid and activated. So now I can go ahead and take a look at maybe what things look like from the affiliate side. In order to do that, I'm just going to manually create myself an affiliate. So I've got a user here, which is my support user, PayPal email, and create affiliate. All right, so now I am signed in as my support account. You can see it up here. It says support. Now this page is from a Cadence theme. They have this kind of bar in the area over here. You can decorate this however you want. So if you use a page builder, if you use Gutenberg blocks like I do, you can put this in here. You can customize your theme. All that you're really seeing from a Fluent Affiliate is this section over here that's created by the shortcodes. So you've got a dashboard where you can see what's going on. You've got links. So if you want to generate a link, what you're going to do is you're going to put in a URL and then click generate. And then it will give you an affiliate link like this. So by default, the URL for this site is demo.suburbiapress.com. I'm the number one here. That is my affiliate link. If I had something in here for sale, I could refer people to it with this. They may or may not want to use this link directly. They may want to use something like Pretty Links, or if you use Lasso, like I do on some of my sites, that can create an affiliate link like suburbiapress.com/ and then the name of the product or company that you're referring them to. They can generate links. All they have to do is go to the web page where somebody's going to purchase something, paste it in here, click generate, and then they will get an affiliate link for that page right down here. If they have any referrals, they'll see it over here. Any payouts that are due, they'll show here. How many people are visiting based off of their affiliate link. And then, of course, there's some settings down here where you can change your payment email. And then you probably want to, most of them will probably want to leave the referral email notification. Basically, when you have a successful referral, it'll send you an email, say, hey, so-and-so just made a purchase with your link. So now that we've added an affiliate, you can take a look over here. You can see your growth. Now it's only one. It looks nice and large since that's the only one there. You can choose your date period. You can see who your top affiliates are, how many referrals they've made, and how much they've earned. And this chart, when it has a bit more, will show you your referrals, your visits, and your affiliates growth. So you get a nice, clean, easy to use affiliate dashboard. If you click the payout tab, you can see there's a way to pay affiliates right over here. So you can go ahead and give yourself a title, a little description for yourself, and then select which affiliates you want to give it to. And then you can have a start and end date and a minimum payout amount. So you can pay selected affiliates all of their unpaid referrals in a specific time frame. Typically, there is a period before they get paid. In other words, they don't get paid immediately upon sale. What may happen is that you want to have maybe a 30-day cookie, and that's to allow for returns or disputes or anything of that nature. So in other words, if somebody decides that they didn't want the product, they return it, you're not going to have to pay out somebody and then lose money if you select your correct dates. You can also migrate from other services. So there's a migrator settings over here. If you have another affiliate plugin, so if you have WP Affiliate or something like that, then if that's installed, you can migrate this easily to import your existing data and affiliates from those plugins to Fluent Affiliate. Okay, I've shown you what it's like to take a look at things on a new installation, but what if you've got some existing data? Well, the folks at WP Managed Ninja have a little test site that I'm signed into now, and you can see we've got a little bit of information. So as far as looking at our affiliates, we've got a number of affiliates over here, and you can see that some of them had visits. This is all dummy data, so don't expect to see a whole lot of things. There's only one referral here for an amount of $240. And the status for this referral is pending. And that's because it shows the date is August 15th. I'm recording this on August 31st. So if you had a 30-day or 60-day window, once you get past that date, then you can go ahead and release payments. There may be some that are rejected. There may be some that are pending, which is where we are for this one. So you get a chance to look at by categories by selecting these tabs. And you can see that we have a few different things over here for referrals. Are they converted or not converted? Nothing's been converted. So these are people who got someone to visit for these various URLs, but they did not convert. And that kind of gives you an idea of some of the reporting that's available inside of Fluent Affiliate. And that's how simple it is to manage an affiliate program with Fluent Affiliate. From setup to recruitment to tracking and payouts, it's all built right into your WordPress dashboard. But don't just take my word for it. Let's take a look at why affiliate marketing is such a proven growth strategy for businesses everywhere. Affiliate marketing isn't just another trend. It's a proven growth engine. Over 80% of major brands already use it, and for many companies, affiliates account for 10 to 20% of total revenue. Some even see as much as a quarter of their online earnings coming directly from affiliate partners. And the return on investment speaks for itself. Businesses earn an average of $6.50 for every $1 spent on affiliate marketing. Compare that to traditional advertising where you pay up front with no guaranteed results. Even against email marketing, which is famous for its ROI, affiliate programs stand out because they don't just help you market to your existing list. Now, you can get a much better or much higher ROI for email marketing, but that's dependent upon the size of your list. So you haven't got a large list, well, that ROI may be great, but it may not necessarily translate into a lot of money. With affiliates, you've got people who are sending your product or services out to their email list or their audience, and those affiliates bring you new audiences and new customers, and you only pay when they deliver real results. That's why affiliate marketing is expected to grow to a $37 billion industry this year. It works, it scales, and it's here to stay. Now, you may be wondering, how does Fluent Affiliate compare to other programs? Most affiliate programs are clunky. They're outdated. They also require pricey add-ons just to unlock the features that you really need. So in other words, if you buy their core program, you may not get everything you need, so you have to buy add-ons to get the features that you want. They can also slow down your site, frustrate your affiliates, and make management harder than it should be. Fluent Affiliate takes a different approach. It gives you the core features out of the box: recruitment, tracking, flexible commissions, reporting, and payouts. No hidden costs or extra extensions. It's lightweight and optimized for performance with a modern dashboard that's easy for both you and your affiliates to use. And I can tell you this firsthand because I'm using this as an affiliate with WP Managed Ninja. They had a previous version. It was a little bit slow. And the first thing I noticed when I signed on to my affiliate site after they switched over to using their own product with a Fluent Affiliate was just how fast it was and how beautiful it is. And because it integrates seamlessly with WooCommerce, SureCart, FluentCart, and many more, which we've already seen, you can connect your affiliate program directly to those tools that you already run your business on. In short, where other plugins make affiliate management complicated and expensive, Fluent Affiliate makes it simple, powerful, and built to scale with your business. So are you ready to launch your own affiliate program with WordPress? Well, here's what's going on. If you pick up Fluent Affiliate using my link, suburbiapress.com/Fluent Affiliate, I'll give you free access to my step-by-step course on how to set it up and get the most out of it. That way, you're not just getting the plugin, you're also getting a clear roadmap to recruit affiliates, set commissions, and grow your revenue faster. This bonus is only available through my link, so don't miss out. Head over to suburbiapress.com/Fluent Affiliate, grab Fluent Affiliate today, and I'll see you inside the course. Now, I also want to let you know that when WP Managed Ninja launches a product, they typically do it with a lifetime deal for a limited period. That means if you go buy now, while that deal is running, at least at the time I launched this, you're going to pay once for whatever licenses you choose. It could be one license, could be 5, could be 15, maybe 50. You buy whatever license you want. You don't pay anything else ever again. And then you can use that on multiple sites. Another thing to keep in mind before you go buy a lot of licenses is that this is aware of multiple domains. So let's say that you need to manage for your own business a number of different websites where you may have products for sale, but you really only want to manage that from one website. Well, that's what a multi-domain system is. You could load this, let's say if I have Suburbia Press, I load it on there, but then I use that to manage my other websites that sell products because they're all part of my business. Now, if you need to do this as an agency or you're going to do this for client sites, then yes, definitely go get a multi-site license. That's the difference. So if you're doing this just for yourself, you can manage affiliates on other sites. You only get to install it on however many sites that you've licensed, but you can manage payments on multiple sites. So you don't have to put it on every site that you own. As I've said, affiliate marketing is one of the smartest ways to grow your business. And now you can run it all from inside WordPress. With Fluent Affiliate, you'll have everything you need to launch, manage, and scale your own affiliate program without the complexity or hidden costs of other plugins. So don't wait. I want you to take action today, start building your affiliate team, and unlock new revenue streams with Fluent Affiliate. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. I'll be discussing this on my community with Suburbia Press, so there'll be a link to that in the description below. You just go to hub.suburbiapress.com if you want to register there. At the current time, it's only a $10 one-time fee to sign up, and I hope to see you inside. Thanks so much. I'll see you again in the next video.